Hello and welcome to the Fix-It Shed. If you like to save money by doing things yourself, you're going to want to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So we're back in the Matrix, and a couple of weeks ago I posted a video where I removed the tires and I painted the rims and I put new tires on. Well, when you put new tires on, you need to reinitialize your tire pressure management system. So we're going to do that today. So step number one is to make sure that all of your tires are inflated to the proper pressure. So for this 2006 Toyota Matrix all-wheel drive, the proper pressure for the front tires is 35 pounds and the rear tires are 32 pounds. Okay, so now I've inflated all the tires to the proper pressure, so now we need to reset the tire pressure management system. Okay, so now when I turn the key on, you can see the tire pressure light comes on and it doesn't go out. So it's telling me that the tire pressure is not right. So now over here, there's a tire pressure reset button. It just says set on it, but you want to press and hold that until the tire pressure light goes out. This is what you would do if you added air to the tire when it was low. There, now it went out. Okay, now to reinitialize, so we're going to press and hold the button again until the tire pressure light blinks 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that blinked 3 times. So now the tire pressure management system has been initialized, and all you have to do is, as the car is being driven, it has to be driven above 19 miles an hour for an hour. You don't have to do it all at one time, but just once it reaches that 1 hour, then the initialization will be complete and the tire pressure management system will be functioning as it normally does. So if you got something out of this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care.